Hello everybody. So what I'm doing now is trying to brainstorm what I'm going to do with the end of the Royal Navy line. So what I've come up with is this is going to be the run round loop for the goods trains coming in to the dock side where the cranes will lift anything, whatever it is, onto the ships, and then the loco will come down here and then run round the goods train. And then this is going to be naval stores. So I'm using my Express Dairy kit and the Goodshed kit. So the door here will just be blocked off, so it'll just be a solid wall. And this will be part of the naval stores. And there'll be a roadway coming along here. There'll be brick arches. There'll be another naval building. This will be offices, such like stuff. And then we're on to the arch businesses. They'll all be naval associated. So that's my idea for this part of the layout before I start sticking down track. So any ideas you've got, please let me know. I'd be much appreciated, just to give me a helping hand in trying to visualize exactly what it is I want to do. Okay, thanks. Bye.